Hi, I'm Prabhash and you are watching Engineer's Fate. So in this video we'll solve all those GATE questions that have been asked in previous GATE examination. In the previous video I have told all those concepts, and whatever the concepts are remaining I will discuss those concepts with the help of the GATE problems. So all those concepts from the numerical point of view will be covered. Last 2 years there is no question from compass survey. This year very good chance that a question will be definitely come. However, the compass survey is a very much important portion from any exam point of view. So let's start. In the previous video, I have told that the astronomical surveyors take a projection from the brightest star and the projection bisect the north pole first, then the south pole. So the answer will be C, north pole to south pole. So try the next question by pausing the video. See the question, try the question yourself, then we'll discuss the answer. So in this question, the quadrilateral system of bearing, and he has given the bearing of line AB and CA, and he is asked us the angle CAB. So in the previous video I have told detailed about the quadrilateral system of bearing, and so I am taking the line CA first because CA after that AB, so the angle CAB will be found. So this will be north, this will be south, east and west. So CA is given as south 70 degree east, means south is here, east is here. So this will be 70 degree, and again this will be my A. Again this is north, this is south, this is east and this is west. Again the bearing of a line AB is south 30 degree east. So this will be 30 degree, and somewhere there will be B is here. So I need to find the angle CAB. So the first thing is that what will be the angle? Angle will be the this one or this one. So always remember, in the direction of the survey we measure the angle. So this will be 30 degree. So we want to find this angle. So this is 70 degree, means this will be 70 degree as per mathematics. So this is 70 degree, means this is 20 degree, because total is 90 degree. This one will be 90 degree minus 70 degree equal to 20 degree. So this one is 20 degree and this one is whole is 90 degree. So what will be the total angle CAB? That will be 20 degree plus 90 degree and plus this 30 degree. So if you find, the answer will be 140 degree. So please note and try the question yourself. So the next question, we know that quadrilateral system of bearing, the angle varies from 0 degree to 90 degree. So the answer will be C, 0 degree to 90 degree. So we'll solve 2 more questions. So try the question, then we'll solve. So in this question he has given us the magnetic bearing of a line in quadrilateral system of bearing, because south 45 degree east, that is in quadrilateral system of bearing, and he has also given the western declination, and he has asked us the true bearing of a line AB. So always remember, the first step is that whenever in the question you see the bearing in quadrilateral system of bearings, convert it into the whole circle bearing. First step, convert it into whole circle bearing if it is given in quadrilateral system of bearing, then proceed your calculation. So here he has given us south 45 degree east. So this is north, this is south, this is east and this is west. So south 45 degree east means this will be the 45 degree. In the previous video I have told detailed about the quadrilateral system of bearing, and I hope you have understood that. Now I have convert into whole circle bearing. So in the whole circle bearing, we always take the reference from north. So what will be this 180 degree? Because this total is 180 degree minus this 45 degree. So the answer will be 135 degree. So now the declination is given as west and it is of 5 degree. I have told you, you don't have to remember anything. If the declination is given in west, then subtract it. So the true bearing will be 135 degree minus these 5 degree because the declination is given as west. So this will be 130 degree. Now again convert this 130 degree into the quadrilateral system of bearing. So this is north, this is east, this is south and this is west. So 130 degree north, from north this is 130 degree, and what will be the quadrilateral system of bearing from south? This will be this. So 180 minus 130 degree, that will be 50 degree. So the correct answer will be south 50 degree east. So the answer is C. Suppose in the question he has given as the eastern declination, that is delta E equal to 5 degree, then what will be my true bearing? So this 135 degree plus 5 degree. I have told you, you don't have to remember anything. If eastern declination is given, you have to add it. If western declination is given, you have to subtract it, then convert it into quadrilateral system of bearing. Very much simple. So what will be the answer? This will be north, this will be south, this will be east and west. So from north this will be 140 degree, so this will be 40 degree. So the answer will be south 40 degree east. So if he has given the eastern declination, then the correct answer will be B, but the correct answer is option C because he has given the western declination. So please note down and try the next question. So this is the question asked in GATE 2006, and he has given the magnetic bearing of a line, he has given the local attraction, he has given the eastern declination, and he want to find the true bearing of a line. Before going to solve the question, let me tell you one important thing, and that thing you have to note, and that will be helpful in upcoming questions. So what is the error? Error means actual value minus true value. Actual value means whatever the value is given in the question, and the true value means the correct value. Which is the correct value you have to find, that is the true value. If error is negative, the correction should be positive. If error is positive, the correction should be negative. So I think this thing will be clear. So please note this thing. Now we'll solve the question. So magnetic bearing of a line is given as 185 degree. Now local attraction is given as plus 1.5 degree. Local attraction, I have told you in the previous video that why local attraction occurs if forebearing minus back bearing is not equal to 180 degree, means local attraction is present, and the local attraction is the error which we have to neglect. So local attraction error is 1.5 degree. So error is positive means correction is negative. So whatever the correct value, we have to subtract minus 1.5 degree. So what will be 183.5 degree. So now again the eastern declination is given as 3.5 degree. What I have told you in the previous question, eastern declination means plus 3.5 degree. So whatever the answer, the true bearing will be 187 degree. So please note this thing, and I hope you have understood this thing, and try the next question. So this is the question asked in GATE 2009, and the question said that in the year 1967, the magnetic bearing of a line AV is given as north 59 degree 30 minute west, means the bearing is given as in quadrilateral system of bearing. Then the eastern declination is given as 4 degree 10 minute. What I have told you, if in the question the bearing is given as in quadrilateral system of bearing, convert into whole circle bearing. Now what he has asked in the question, he has asked the magnetic bearing of a line right now present, and he has given the western declination as 3 degree. So the first step, what I have told you, convert the bearing into whole circle bearing. North, this is north, this is south, this is east, this is west. North 59 degree 30 minute means this is 59 degree 30 minute. So what will be the whole circle bearing? I have told you, in the whole circle bearing the reference is always from north. So this is the whole circle bearing. So what will be this angle? The total angle is 360 degree, and I have to subtract it 59 degree 30 minute. So what is the procedure of subtracting? Let me tell you the trick. So this thing you can write it as 359 degree 60 minute. I can write 360 degree as 359 degree 60 minute, as I know 1 degree is 60 minute and I want to subtract 59 degree 30 minute. So this will be 300 degree 30 minute, and he has given as the eastern declination as 4 degree 10 minute. Then eastern declination means I have to add 4 degree 10 minute. So what will be the answer? 304 degree 40 minute. So we know that whatever this bearing is true bearing. So we have found the true bearing because we have neglected the error, and after neglecting the error due to declination, whatever the bearing I got, that is the true bearing. Now I want to find the magnetic bearing. We know that the true bearing is magnetic bearing and the declination is given as west. So minus delta W. So the true bearing is 304 degree 40 minute and the magnetic bearing minus 3 degree. So whatever the magnetic bearing, that will be this 3 degree will be added, 307 degree 40 minute. So very easy thing, please note it down. I hope this thing is clear. Please note it down and try the next question. So this is the question asked in GATE 2010, and this question belongs to astronomical survey. However, my goal to solve all those GATE questions, and the astronomical survey is not in the GATE syllabus. So I have taken this question in the compass survey and I will solve this question. Just remember, the earth take 1 day to rotate about its own axis. Rotate about its own axis means 360 degree. 1 day means 24 hours. So 360 degree equal to 24 hours. So 1 degree will be 1 by 15 hour. 1 minute will be 1 by 15 of minute. Then he has asked us the local mean time. So we know that the local mean time is standard time plus or minus difference in longitude. This is the formula you have to note. Now let's come to the question. In the question, the local mean time at longitude is given as 90 degree 40 minute east. This is given in east direction, and the standard meridian is also given as 82 degree 30 minute east. Both are given in east. So at first I need to find the difference in longitude. So what will be the difference in longitude? Just I have to subtract both value, that is 90 degree 40 minute east, 90 degree 40 minute minus 82 degree 30 minute. So the difference in longitude I get it as 8 degree 10 minute. So this is the 8 degree 10 minute and I want to convert in hours, minutes, seconds. So 1 degree equal to 1 by 15 hour. So 8 degree. So 8 degree will be 8 by 15 hour. So 8 by 15 is less than 1. 8 by 15 is less than 1 means it can't be in hours, it will be in minutes. So we know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. So what will be 8 degree? 8 degree equal to 32 minutes. Now let's talk about 10 minute. So 10 minute equal to 10 by 15 minute. Again 10 by 15 is less than 1. So the answer can't be in minutes. So the answer will be in seconds. So 10 by 15. So 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So equal to 40 seconds. So I got it as 8 degree 10 minute equal to 32 minute 40 seconds. Now what is the local mean time? Standard time is given as 6 hour 30 minute plus or minus. So both the longitude and meridian is given in the east. So I have to take the positive direction. If in the question they have given west, some of them, so I have to consider the negative sign. Though in the question both the things are given in the east and the difference I have found. So now I have to take the positive sign, plus 32 minute 40 seconds. So the answer will be 7 hour 2 minute 40 seconds. I hope you have understood this question. So please note it down, and this is from astronomical survey, but nothing is there. First note this thing, then note the formula, then the difference in longitude, then how I convert this thing, then this formula again. So I hope you have understood this thing. Try the next question. Next question is from local attraction, which will be discussed briefly. So this is the question asked in GATE 2013 and it's from local attraction. While discussing local attraction in the previous video, I have told that I will be discussing local attraction while solving a GATE question, and all those concepts of local attraction will be discussed. So this is the question and I will discuss the concepts of local attraction. So why local attraction occurs? If the forebearing and back bearing and the difference between them is not equal to 180 degree, means local attraction is present. If the difference between forebearing and back bearing equal to 180 degree, means the stations are free from local attraction, means whatever the readings I have taken from those stations will be correct if the difference of forebearing and back bearing is 180 degree. So in the question the lines is given, the forebearing of each line is given and the back bearing of each line is given. So first step is that find the difference between forebearing and back bearing and check which of them is free from local attraction. Just subtract the forebearing and back bearing and check whichever is free from local attraction. Pause the video and try first. Check whichever the station is free from local attraction. So if you have tried, you have found that the difference between of line DE, that is 258 degree 30 minute minus 78 degree 30 minute, and the difference is 180 degree. So whatever the reading taken from station D and station E are correct, and because the station D and E are free from local attraction, though the difference between the forward bearing and the back bearing is 180 degree. So the readings taken from station D and E is also correct, means the back bearing of line CD is also correct and the forward bearing of line EA is also correct. So the trick is that simply subtract and check whatever the readings is equal to 180 degree or not. If it is 180 degree, then the station D and E are free from local attraction, means DE is here, so these two are correct. D is present here. The trick is that, so the back bearing will be correct. So E is here. So the trick is that the forward bearing is also correct. Now I need to find the correct forward bearing of line CD. So this back bearing 161 degree 45 minute is less than 180 degree or greater than 180 degree. It is less than 180 degree. Less than 180 degree means I have to add plus 180 degree to get my next bearing. So just simply add 161 degree 45 minute plus 180 degree and we will get it as 341 degree 45 minute. So the correct bearing for the CD will be correct. Forward bearing for the CD is 341 degree 45 minute. Now I need to find the correct back bearing of line BC. So here comes a concept which I have told you earlier. We know that error is actual value minus true value. Actual value means whatever the value is given in the question. So the value given in the question is that 340 degree 30 minute. So and the true value, whichever the correct value I have just found, correct value should be 341 degree 45 minute. So what will be the error? Error is you have to subtract 340 degree 30 minute minus 341 degree 45 minute. So if you just subtract, you will get it as 1 degree in the negative of 1 degree 15 minute. So the error is negative means the correction should be positive. So whatever the correct back bearing of BC, I have to add 227 degree 30 minute plus 1 degree 15 minute. This will be 228 degree 45 minute. Just check that error is negative means correction is positive. So error was 1 degree 15 minute. So the actual value was 340 degree 30 minute. If I add 1 degree 15 minute, it will give me 341 degree 45 minute. So the correct bearing of correct back bearing of line BC will be 228 degree 45 minute. Next, 228 degree 45 minute. Now in the question, the forward bearing of BC is asked. So this bearing is greater than 180 degree. To get the next bearing, I have to subtract 180 degree from this bearing. So if I subtract 180 degree from this bearing, 228 degree 45 minute minus 180 degree, I'll get it as 45 minute and 8 and 4, 48 degree 45 minute. I hope this thing is clear. So the answer is 48 degree 45 minute. I hope you have understood this thing. If you haven't understand, again I request, again play the video and I hope you will get the things. So note the things and try the next question. So this is the question asked in GATE 2015 and it's one of the most beautiful question. I hope you have tried. So in the question he has stated that the forebearing of AB is given as north 79 degree 50 minute east, and in the question he has stated that the station A is affected by local attraction. Though the station A is affected by local attraction, he has taken another station O which is free from local attraction, and he has given the forebearing of AO as this and the forebearing of OA as this. And again he has stated at that place there is some eastern declination of 2 degree east. Now he wants to find the true bearing of AB. So the first step I have told you, if something is in quadrilateral system of bearing, convert into whole circle bearing. So north 79 degree 50 minute east means this is north, this is east, and this is the line A, and there will be some point B is there. So it lies in the first quadrant. So the quadrilateral system of bearing will be north 79 degree 50 minute east. If I convert into whole circle bearing, that will be 79 degree 50 minute. Now the station O is free from local attraction. So the forebearing of AO means that is south 52 degree 40 minute east. This is south, so this is 52 degree 40 minute. Now I have to convert into whole circle bearing. So what will be the whole circle bearing? Whole circle bearing will be 180 degree, and I can write it as 179 degree 60 minute minus 52 degree 40 minute. So this will be 20 minute, this will be 7, this will be 127 degree 20 minute. Now the next thing is that forebearing of OA. This is O, this is north, this is south, this is east and west. So the forebearing of OA he has given, that is north 50 degree 20 minute west. Again I want to convert it into whole circle bearing, and whole circle bearing the reference is always from north. So this will be 360 degree minus 50 degree 20 minute. I can write it as 359 degree 60 minute minus 50 degree 20 minute. So this will be 40 minute, and this is 9 degree, this is 3550, this is 309 degree 40 minute. So the station O is free from local attraction, means whatever the reading I will take from station O, that will be the correct reading. So 309 degree 40 minute is greater than 180 degree. To get the next bearing I have to subtract 180 degree. So if I subtract 180 degree, I'll find the correct bearing, that will be 129 degree 40 minute. So this 129 degree 40 minute is the correct bearing. So 127 degree 20 minute is the wrong bearing. So the answer for the correct forebearing of AO should be 129 degree 40 minute. Now comes, what is the error? I've told you error means actual value minus correct value or true value. So the actual value is 127 degree 20 minute. The correct value I have found it as 129 degree 40 minute. So the difference is of 2 degree 20 minutes. So error is negative means correction should be positive. So whatever the correct reading for the station A should be added. So whatever the correction for bearing AB, so 79 degree 50 minute plus 2 degree 20 minute, and if I want to calculate, I'll get it as 82 degree 10 minute. Now again he has given the eastern declination. Eastern declination means again I have to add 2 degree. So the correct answer will be 84 degree 10 minute. Again I have to convert into quadrilateral system of bearing. So this 84 degree 10 minute lie in the first quadrant. So this will be north, 84 degree 10 minute east. So I hope you have understood this thing. So first I have converted the values into WCB, then the station O is free from local attraction. So I have get the correct bearing as 129 degree 40 minute. Then what this should be the correct bearing. So whatever the error I need to find, error I have find it as 2 degree 20 minute. So if the error is negative, the correction should be positive, means that correction should be added to the station A, and whatever the reading I have taken from that station A should be, that correction should be added, and that will be the correct answer. So 79 degree 50 minute plus 2 degree 20 minute, this is given as 82 degree 10 minute. Now from previously he has given the eastern declination as 2 degree east. Now I have to add plus 2 degree. So the final answer will be 84 degree 10 minute. So I hope you have understood this question. So please note it down and try to solve the next question. And the next question is a very easy question. I hope you have understood this thing. If you haven't understand, then again play the video, you will get the things. So this is the question asked in GATE 2017 and it is from local attraction. Very easy question. The difference of the bearing should be 180 degree. If the difference of the bearing is 180 degree, then the station is free from local attraction. And from that given table, I have made my table. I have denoted as fore bearing and I have denoted as back bearing. So if you just find the first PQ, the difference of fore bearing and back bearing, it will be 180 degree. So the station P and Q are free from local attraction. Again, if you find the difference of fore bearing and back bearing of station ST, you will get it as 180 degree. So station S and station T is free from local attraction. So these differences, if you find not equal to 180 degree, means error is present. So station Q is free from local attraction and station S is also free from local attraction. So whatever the reading made by this is also correct, and whatever the reading made by this Q corresponding to Q is also correct. But whatever the readings made from station R is affected. So the error is present in station R. So the option is A, that is R only. So I hope you have understood this thing. So please note it down. So we have solved all those GATE questions from this chapter, compass survey. And the compass survey is one of the most important chapter as per any exam point of view. I hope you have understood all those things, understood all those concepts, and I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. So if you have enjoyed and this video is helpful to you, so kindly share this video to your friends, like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel Engineer's Fate, then please subscribe to this channel Engineer's Fate. My channel will definitely help you, and my channel will definitely provide you important videos with some concepts and many more things to come in the future. So thank you for watching this video. So take care and we'll see in our next video. Thank you.